Alright, I'm at a different home site, and I say home site, I'm pretty sure it's a home site. Just found that piece to a hoe or pickaxe. It's leaning right up against a brick, and then looks like we got some type of foundation here. I don't know if it's a well or some type of cellar. There's another one right behind me too. This is actually Chester, Virginia, and just beyond those trees, the wood line there is brand new development. Anyway, stand by. We'll video the next one. All right, just got the first coin. Sorry I didn't get it on tape, but I was going pretty fast trying to scout around those two cellar holes or whatever they are, depressions, and camera was about a couple hundred yards away. Anyway, pretty good signals coming in at 1242, pretty strong. Not sure what it is just yet. Definitely looks like a coin. Anyway, stand by. I'm gonna try to clean it just a little bit. All right. $13.38, $14.38, $12.38, $5, 6 inches down. Looks like a brass nail. Alright, just got another find. Had some iron in the hole. This is what it is. I'm not sure. Maybe a top to something. Could be a piece of a watch or something. I'm not sure. A little fob there or something. Oh, stand by. Let me clean it up a little bit. Anyway, that's it. Not sure. That little piece here. It's bent over. Maybe a locket or I don't know, cap to something. I'm not sure. We'll find out. We'll get home and clean it up. Alright, just dug another signal. Appears to be brass. Pretty ornate. Only about 2 inches down. Stand by, I'm gonna clean it up. Alright, there it is. Got a hole in the center. Probably a screw or something. Nail went through there, I'm not sure. Anyway, pretty cool find. In a spot extremely trashy. I'm probably about 10 feet away from that silver find. But it's a cap or back of a pocket watch or a locket or something, but about 10 feet away from that. I just found a what appears to be a coin, and right where my pin pointer is, that was where I dug that little star thing, and then right there I just dug a coin. It wasn't deep, about 4 inches. I'm going to try to clean it up. Stand by. Alright, just found another find. Some type of ornate piece of brass. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, stand by. Alright, here's the finds from that old home site in Chesterfield. This piece of iron here, I don't know, it kind of looks like the shape of a knife, I'm not sure. I'll run electrolysis on it, see what it looks like. It's a rose type thing, I'm not sure. Pretty cool though. This ended up being some type of gear. See the teeth on it. And this was gear, looks like as well. Not sure what this is. Anyway, it's pretty cool, not sure. I'll clean it up a little bit better. Here's a piece of maybe silver, I'm not sure. Clean that up a little bit better. This ornate type of something, I don't know. Two little clasps there, one here and one there. We try to clean on that a little bit more too. I don't know what this is. This actually was my first target. Don't know what it is. And then these two here, and I'm hoping they're coins, but I can't tell one way or the other. And that's pretty smooth on that side. I don't know in there, and it's almost concave too. Might not even be coins. It almost reminds me of a knockout of a metal box, electrical box. But usually they leave a little tit on them. Anyway, I might run electrolysis on those and see what I come up with. Anyway, thanks for watching.